Hi, everyone. This question comes up a lot, and it's basically, why did Etsy take an offsite ads fee from a repeat customer who says she didn't click on any offsite ads to get to Etsy? She came straight to Etsy, so I shouldn't have been charged a fee. Well, all right. First of all, can you remember what you did last week online? I can't. I don't know what I clicked on. I don't know what ads I clicked on. And the Etsy cookie for offsite ad lasts for 30 days. So if 30 days ago somebody clicked on an offsite ad anywhere online, and came to Etsy to your shop and bought something from your shop within that 30 days, you're going to get hit with the offsite ads fee for it. Okay. Now, asking people, did you click on that, is not a good way to find out if they actually did. Because like I said, they're not going to remember. And they're going to say, no, I came directly to Etsy, because they're thinking, the last time I came to your shop, I came directly to Etsy. But 30 days ago, they might have clicked on something else. And the problem is that a lot of people go to Google and search for our Etsy shops, and then maybe the first thing that comes up is an ad. They see the thing they were looking at, they click on that, and then they've looped themselves back into the 30 days. So that 30 days can start over. So they might have clicked something 31 days ago, and now they're out of that time period, but then they come back through Google by clicking on another ad, and they're looped back in for another 30 days. Okay, people don't remember what they did online. And I see this a lot where people say, she says she didn't click on it. Well, look, like I said, I can't remember what I had for breakfast yesterday, let alone what I was clicking on 30 days ago online. So don't, it loops you in, you're stuck with it. If you can opt out of offsite ads and you want to do that, then do that. If you're stuck in it, then you're just going to have to accept it. If you sell on Etsy and someone clicks on offsite ads, that's it. But if you can get out of offsite ads, then definitely do. If you don't like paying that fee, which I don't, and I have to be opted in, so I don't get that option. Anyway, that's basically what happens. People don't remember. That's all it is. So give this video a thumbs up, even if you don't like the message. I don't like it, but it is what it is, and I'll talk to you later.